The Athlete's Secret Weapon. Get it wherever books are sold.
All right, you're warmed up. Let's start with a Vinyasa flow. We got about 10 minutes. Part 2 will be about 10 minutes. Downward facing dog. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Inhale forward, lower down, hover. Inhale up dog. Or you can keep the knees down, a little shimmy, side to side. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's do that again. Vinyasa power flow. Forward, 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 down. Shoulders back, lift. Get some blood flow. We got to get circulation. Get oxygen into the bloodstream. All right, walk the feet forward, chair position. Now, what is an eagle? What is the bind? Here it is. Right arm forward, left arm underneath. Wrap around. Two options. One, go all the way, baby. Bring the hands together, or make fists right here. So there we are. Press back, fingers up. Shoulders down, elbows forward, breathe and expand the upper back. Definitely a problem area, upper and middle. Now, full eagle. Take your right leg, wrap it as much as you can around the left, and press back. We're going to do a number of variations with these eagle arms, so stay tuned. 2 more breaths. Use that breath to let that release. I just spit on myself. It was an eagle spit. Let it release down your back. All right, step the right foot back. Low lunge with eagle arms. I want you to inhale, reach back. Exhale, bring it forward, round the shoulders. 3 more times. Good. Chip away at those tight spots. Did I do one extra? I'm going to do an extra one here. Keep it going, keep it going. Up and down. Now step the right foot forward, back to the chair, unravel, left arm forward, right arm underneath. Balance out the sides. Keep it here or cross the left leg over the right. 4 breaths. Press back with the exhales, with the inhales, lift the arms up, lift them up. One more breath. Good. How does that feel? I like it. Left foot back, drop the knee down, slide the knee back a little further. 4 times. Inhale up. Pull forward, round. All that spinal movement. Decompression. 2 more times. And once more. All right, step. Left foot forward, unravel. Quick shake. Right arm forward, left arm underneath. Fingers up, shoulders down, elbows forward. Soften the knees, come on down. Looks like this. It's a forward fold. Sway side to side. Let the eagle perform its magic. Good. Therapy for your back and shoulders. All right, bring it down. Seated position. Keep the arms. Don't let those arms go. Feet flat. This is eagle half boat. Feet off the mat. Reach the arms up. You can also extend the legs all the way out if you wish. There are so many options. We just keep on moving to the best of our abilities. Do the most we can in a short amount of time. All right, unravel, cross the ankles, step back, plank, Vinyasa power flow. Great way to bring it all together. Down dog, walker jump forward. This time left arm, right arm underneath, and we dive down. Bring the feet a little wider apart. Tuck the chin and dive. Side to side. down. Once again, do some core work here. Reach it up. Shoulders back and lift. Here or here. We can go here if we like. 3 more breaths. I know I have trouble spots in my rhomboid sometimes. I do a lot of work, a lot of workouts, a lot of filming, a lot of teaching. So these eagle stretches are paramount for therapy for those areas, to open them up, to release them, to encourage blood flow. Okay, again, vinyasa flow, step or jump back, down, up dog. Okay. Downward facing dog. Take your left foot forward. Full lunge this time. Left arm forward, right arm underneath. Would you believe it? We're doing the eagle. Inhale up 4 times. Exhale, pull in. Good. 2 more. Sink that right heel down. And once more. Let's have some fun. Pull the arms in. Now lengthen that left leg. We have a pyramid. Hinge over the leg. 4 more breaths. Extend the fingers forward. So we're not here, we're reaching away. What do you feel? What do you feel? Okay, unravel. Oh, yes, vinyasa flow. Step or jump. Let's meet back at downward facing dog. Wink. Okay. Sink those heels down. Right foot forward. Right arm underneath. Eagle. 4 pulses, my friend. Here we go. In the nose, out the nose. Saturate. Saturate the muscles with the, with the oxygen. I need more. All right, 2 more times. Let me redeem myself. Once more. Okay, pull the arms in. Lengthen that right leg. And start to pry the arms away from the body. 4 breaths. This calls for a celebratory vinyasa flow. Take it. Let's meet in down dog. Don't do eagle in down dog. Okay, couple breaths. Good stretch. Shoulders are a lot looser. Walk or jump the feet forward. Shoulders back. Remember, this is part 1. How much time? All right, we're just about there. We'll finish with the classic again. Left arm forward, right arm underneath. Press it back. Half eagle or full. Take 5 breaths. Let me readjust. Okay. 1 more breath. I'm hopping. Okay, unravel. Pull the arms into the body. You like to walk around like this? Going to target. What's up? All right, switch. All right, other side. Do the opposite of what you just did. Boom. Okay. Press it back. Right leg crosses. 5 breaths. Make it so. Engage. Make sure you let me know if this yoga flow helped you out, if it was beneficial. That wind. 1 more breath. All right, unwind, shake it out, and watch for part 2. It's on the screen, and when it's out, it's down below. And you gotta get the #1 Yoga for Athletes book. And luckily for all of us, it's right here.
On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies. I wandered in the streets of New York and dreamed of crossing the country again. I followed Victor. He was wearing a really dark, expensive coat like camel's hair, 3/4 length, with great rich dark designs, and yet strangely Christ-like as a coat, walking in immense long strides along 2nd Avenue. Pretty sure Victor, though, I didn't know he was so tall unless it was all those tremendously short Italian mothers he was passing at his end of the sidewalk. As I followed, made him so grand, long prophet strides, carrying some package wrapped in brown paper, headed east towards 1st Avenue. Seemed to be going slow, but I had a hard time keeping up, and I thinking, good thing I have my Proust in case I should ever follow him all the way, which is apparently Paradise Alley. Over on the river, they'd see not only how beat my copy is, but that I seriously carry it around because I'm really reading it, really bemused in the streets with it like they'd be really a scholar, a hip mystic, though they question my red October shirt. Yet they wouldn't say, I'd say, where's this Nori? And he'd say, she's my sister. And then I'd meet him and there'd be silence.